Seriously, I still can't believe that I'm on $101,870 with funded account. Finally, after many tries, after struggling, frustrating, and whatever else, I'm finally in beautiful profits.
As you know, I got funded about a week ago successfully. Congratulations, V. For those who don't congratulate me, you know what you can do. Anyway, what I'm going to show you today is just an update of me basically over a year, or actually a year, almost a year I would say, of trying, pursuing, struggling, frustrating over trading, specifically about day trading and swing trading. And what is the results right now after a year? I started trading in April 2023. I started trading before, and I basically just tried, and then I never really took it seriously, just to make some extra cash. But guess what? I never make the extra cash ever. There was never extra cash. I always, whatever I made, I lost it. So I never kept any profits, never really took it as a proper business, because I had other business going on. I still have the business going on, which currently give me good income monthly. But I know it's not gonna be forever, and I obviously want to make more money. And I know through trading, I'll be able to make 6-7 figures a year, possibly this year, maybe next year. I don't know what's going to happen, but my goal for this year is 6 figures, so make minimum $100,000 profit from trading this year, especially from Forex. I'm not counting crypto, because crypto is, I don't really trade crypto and leverage. I just invest, leave it there, and then once in a week, once in a month, I open my portfolio and see what's going on. Right now, it doesn't really look too good. So, but anyway, with Forex, I wanted to show you what results you can do. Not for everyone, obviously, but if you really focus on something, what can you do that you can focus on for a year and actually doing it day in, day out? I promise you, if I'm saying I work hard, it's weird, because people imagine working hard. By the way, it's so hot here. People imagine working hard something where you have to do physical labor. And these days, it's not really that. I would say working hard mentally, especially trading, is a very mental game. So in that case, I work really hard. Obviously, if you're not on the chart, you can't be on the charts 24/7. But if you're not on the chart, you're dreaming about charts. I'm thinking about charts. I'm having sex. I'm thinking about charts. I'm doing anything, and I'm still thinking about charts, thinking about profits and losses. So not that much anymore right now, because I do more swing trading. So I just let it play out, and that's much more calm, much more peaceful. So let me show you what happened for the past week. So I got funded, as you know, and this is my current profits. So we are on currently 1,846 is the equity, and the balance is 113,372. So what I'm planning to do is I'm gonna see how this trade goes. I'm gonna actually show you the trade which I'm currently in, and that is Euro USD. This one, USD, I entered yesterday. Let me see, I entered yesterday, actually on Monday. No, that's not correct. I entered yesterday, went to a little bit drawdown, and then now currently we are on 122. So I was risking 40% of 100K. So I'm 122 currently. My target is to put it to get to on daily support, which I think is gonna bounce from there, which is this area, and that's gonna get me to 123. So I will see how that go. Maybe I close it before that, maybe not, but it's currently Wednesday. Where is it? Wednesday, 1st of May. So I obviously want to withdraw some profits, because it's gonna be my first withdrawal ever from trading. So obviously I want to have some profits, because I lost some money as well in trading. So I want to get some profits. So I will see how that goes, but looking good so far. My potential target until Friday, which today is Wednesday, so until Friday, that will be 2.5% from 100K, which is 2,500. and I have a 80-20 profit split, so I will keep 80%. Alpha Capital will keep 20%, so 5% from 100k. 20% from 2.5 is $500, so I will get $2,000 plus. I will get a bonus of 0.25% from 100k. It's like for the first withdrawal, you get like a bonus for performance. It's basically almost like a refund of your fees which you pay, which I know a lot of other platforms doing that. They give you the fees back upon your first withdrawal. Alpha Capital don't do that. They just give you like a bonus, if you can call it. So that's 250. So I should, if that's gonna go the way it's supposed to go, which never goes, but if it does, I should get to $2,250, my first ever withdrawal from Forex trading, which, I mean, to me, it's still unbelievable that just a year ago, I started this journey, and then now I was dreaming about to get funded, and I was dreaming about to be profitable, consistently profitable, not just make one big trade or few big trades and then you lose everything again. Actually have a consistent winning trades, and it's finally happening. So yeah, I'm really happy. That's really all I have to say. I just wanted to update you, and then I just wanted to tell you that if you're looking to get into trading, buy my course and you can learn. I'm just joking. I'm not trying to sell you anything. If you like to follow my journey, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. Like the video, don't like this video, do whatever the hell you want. But yeah, it would be nice if you give a like, if it's some way like help you a little bit, or you enjoyed it, and me talking, then subscribe and like it. Anyway, that's all I have to say. Goodbye.